Hey guys, it's Tanaeah. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I will be doing a Halloween tutorial, and today we'll be doing a spider or tarantula, whatever you want to call it. Camouflaged one eyebrow, and I just feel like doing that, so I just used some Elmer's glue and foundation and powder. If you guys want a tutorial on that, just comment below. But I'm going to start off using an eyeliner to trace out the legs, and this is like a liquid liner, and it's the one with like the felt tip, no, not felt tip, but the brush applicator, and that would be the first step. And after I finished the legs, I decided to go in and do like small short strokes like on the legs to make it like it's like hair on them. So if you guys can see that, I just did tiny like little strokes, kind of sloppy. I didn't want this to be like a super precise look. And now I'm going to take a like a pencil brush, not super dense but not fluffy. I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow to fill that in. Then I'm just going to take a little red and make 2 red dots and make it as like the eyes. Later, I'm going to darken it with some lipstick, the same red lipstick I used at the end. I don't believe if I recorded it, but I didn't feel like the red I used at first was bright enough. But this first lipstick I use is a black lipstick from ColourPop, and it's like the Ultra Matte. I don't have the name on hand right now, but I will list it down below in the description box. And then after I line my lips with that, I would take the Fenty's Stunna Lip Paint and put that in the middle. And then my last step will be applying eyelashes, and I will apply those off camera, and that will be it for the look. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed this look. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload, and like, comment below, even share it. I will see you guys in my next video.